He just play the piano. Wow, nice, good. Huh? What are you doing? You are standing just in one leg. Yeah, that's good. Funny. Well done, buddy. Yeah. Freeze. No, no, no. You are playing hide and seek. Now it is time to sweep the floor. Yeah. Yeah, you are first. You got the first prize, buddy. No, that's is cheating. Again first. Now it is time to warm up with his leg. And what you do? Yeah? He did it very comfortable. Oh my god. How cute. Now it is also time to sweep. And again doing. Oh my god, why he is going back? Oh no, no, he is wanted the first seat. Yeah. Come out, baby. It is not time to go outside. Just kidding, man. Oh, I want the egg. You want the egg? No, no, don't look up. Don't look up. Hey? Oh my god, you want another more egg. And give me some money, buddy. Yeah, give me some dollar.
Cho mama.
I'm so cute. I'm so lovely. Why you are doing to me that? Yeah. It is time to spinning. Floor. That's a lovely play. Nice play. Oh no. No, buddy. No, 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 no. What are you doing? And that is a smart puppy. Yeah. Almost he got it. Almost he got it. Again, try. You can do it. Yeah. Congratulations. You can do it, but again failed. Oh my god. Well done. Yeah. Are you scared for dragon? Oh no. He's very scared for dragon. One puppy, two puppies, three puppies, four puppies, five puppies, and they are got for a seat belt. Yeah, lovely, very cute. Oh, one is just escaped, and he came from the box. He is hungry. He is eating food. Oh, lovely. Now this is the another dog. Just he's crying. No, he's ordering something for new. Yeah, that's cool. You got it, buddy. Yeah, let's go. Now, who is that? Oh my god, he's just feeling very hot. He needs some cold. Yeah, that is perfect for place for cooling. And that is lovely. He is eating and he is very lazy, I think. Oh my god, what a nice show. Yeah, lovely show. Stop, you will get hurt. Oh, cute dog. And it is the race. Oh, so sad. And it is another time to go home. Yeah, come on, bro. You should stay together with me. Yeah, well done. Now it is time to go home, and it is time to sleep and relax. Don't disturb me. I'm sleeping. Don't disturb me.
Let me go home.
You want to some bargaining?
Why did you do that?
Part-time sick. And it is a lovely house for the dog. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel if you are new, and don't forget to like and share. Please drop your comment if you like it, and subscribe if you prefer. Thank you.